Welcome. In this video we will discuss the application process for Labour Market Priority Stream under the Nova Scotia Nominee Program. Through Nova Scotia Nomination Program, prospective immigrants who have the required skills and work experience may get nominated by Nova Scotia under the stream that you are eligible for. There are a number of streams under which you can get nominated as per the required criteria. Namely, Nova Scotia Labour Market Priorities, Labour Market Priorities for Physicians, Physician Stream, Entrepreneur Stream, International Graduate Entrepreneur, Skilled Worker Stream, Occupations in Demand, Nova Scotia Experience, Express Entry. In this video, we will discuss in detail the application process for Labour Market Priority Stream. The first step in the application process is to create the Express Entry profile through IRCC Express Entry website. You will continue to use the Express Entry online system during the application process. In your profile, you should state your interest in moving to Nova Scotia. After creating a profile, you will receive an Express Entry number which you will be needing in further stages. Please note that you must receive a letter of interest from Nova Scotia Immigration to apply for this stream. Now, you are required to apply via online services of the province within 30 calendar days of receiving a letter of interest from Nova Scotia Immigration. Please note that, if you currently live in another Canadian province, you are required to explain why you would leave this province and come to Nova Scotia. Make sure you attach all the documents to prove your eligibility under this stream. Documents must be scanned and in PDF form. Your application may get approved or rejected. You must meet the needs of the current labor market at the time of your application. If the NSOI approves the application, you will receive a letter on Express Entry online system. Your representative will also receive an email of this information, as well the nomination certificate. You are required to accept the nomination within 30 calendar days of receiving the nomination letter. In case your application gets rejected, you and your representative will receive an email stating the concerns for not accepting the application. You might be requested for the additional information, which you must submit within 10 business days. When your application gets approved, you will receive the nominee certificate. You are required to accept the nomination through Express Entry online system within 30 calendar days of receiving it. After the acceptance of nomination in the Express Entry online system, you will receive an invitation from IRCC to apply for a permanent residence visa. Please note that, while submitting the application for permanent residence, you are required to pay fee for Government of Canada immigration only. There is no application fee to apply for Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream. Once you get the permanent residence visa, contact NSOI before 30 days of arriving at Nova Scotia. Make sure you share the required documents with the NSOI. Now, let's discuss some key points to know. Application processing time for this stream may take 3 months or more. Please note that you are only eligible to apply if you have received the nominee certificate. You are required to create an Express Entry profile in IRCC's online Express Entry system. You must apply to 2 levels of government, federal and provincial. After you have been nominated to the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priority Stream by Government of Nova Scotia, you will have to apply for permanent residence status with the federal Government of Canada. If your application is refused because of the misrepresentation, you will not be allowed to apply to any immigration stream for 5 years. However, submitting an application and meeting the eligibility requirements for this stream do not guarantee that your application will get approved. Even after receiving the nominee certificate, it is not mandatory that IRCC will issue a permanent residence visa. Please submit the application carefully because the decision is final and there is no process for appeal. Do not apply for the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priorities Stream if any of the following case applies to you. You are currently living in a country in which you are not legally allowed to live. You have received a nomination or endorsement within the last 12 months. You have applied for refugee status in Canada and has been rejected. You have received a removal order from IRCC or the Canada Border Services Agency. Your application may get rejected under the discussed cases. Hope you now have some understanding of the Nova Scotia Labour Market Priorities Stream. If you need help in applying for Canada Visa, contact us through our website www.ishaglobal.in or send us your resume by email. Look forward to helping you in your Canada PR process.